Hi, my name's Luke Gravitt. I'm Associate Effects Supervisor at Animal Logic down in Sydney. Pixar's universal scene description is a way to be able to layer and compose different effects, different objects, geometry, and create a scene out of it. At Animal, as a studio, we made a big push this year to move fully to USD. As a company, there's a big pipeline initiative that a lot of the R&D team put into it that was fully USD. So we're actually now, as a company, entirely based in USD from start to finish. So scene descriptions, geometry data, and that's why we really, as a department in the effects and character effects realm, had to think about, okay, how do we manipulate and use this USD scene? So one of the big advantages of USD is the ability to be able to compose and layer data, and that for our departments, for specifically effects and character effects, is particularly important, especially when we need to be able to really take over any geometry or any data that exists in the scene at any point. So whether that's taking over fur, whether that's taking over cloth or destroying a building, it makes it very easy for us to be able to kind of layer and compose those, our edits on those simply. So as a department, the effects and character effects, we are all fully based inside of Houdini. So from start to finish, we import our data, we process our data, and we export our data and render our data for look development inside of the Houdini environment. So for us, we really needed a way to efficiently and effectively kind of tie in with the new USD-based pipeline at Animal Logic. And the logical and best answer to that was Solaris. So Solaris is incredibly flexible, and obviously because it is running pure USD code, it really allowed us to develop our pipeline very quickly. Although we were based on an alpha version of Solaris, we still managed to develop an entire pipeline from start to finish. That became very effective to us. So one of the biggest problems we used to have at Animal Logic is that we had a lot of different ways to deliver through information, whether we were taking over a prop, whether it was a character, whether it was a set. We had different workflows for each one of those things. Now, the big thing that Solaris, USD, and kind of Houdini has now allowed us to do is simplify and unify all of those processes so that we can have one place that we can actually put out all of that data.